We're finally traveling again, but first we had to get everything ready. This was the part I was most worried about leaving, our puppy Willow and our chickens. I just want them taken care of and comfortable while we're gone. First things first is to clean and reorganize the run.
It's a lot of work. Woo.
Now we're going to put down the pelletized bedding to help soak up all the mucky, wet mud. Spraying down everything to remove any extra chicken poo. And now for the pine flakes for the super soft and cozy bedding so they can lay in it and relax.
This big huge basket full of Myrtle beach clothes that we need to get washed and packed. So we're gonna do that right now. And hopefully we are ahead of schedule, and you know, it's been crazy trying to do all this packing, preparing and everything for our big trip, but it is getting there, and we're leaving like tomorrow night, so very so excited, aren't you? Morning.
It always looks like this before it comes together. It's complete and utter chaos, but in the bestest of ways.
We're gonna pack them in here, right?
Mm-hmm. That's some good packing.
Say hi.
It's mud in the back of more beach. It's a mud on the bench. But more beach.
Good job.
So I have a question for you, and you. Who is ready for Myrtle Beach tomorrow night? Okay, I'm going to throw you into the shark pit. I'm going to throw you in the sandcastle. I'm going to throw you into the pool. Elijah, I'm going to hang upside down by his toenails. And Daddy is just stuck in the hot tub all week.
Mama, I got a question for you. Why are you so silly?
Why are you so silly?
Why are you so silly?
Sure thing. I don't know what. You're stuck. Oh.
I don't think everything's perfect, but it's definitely time. Vacation is right now. Charlie Queen.
Who's excited for the ocean?
Yes.
Anybody?
Let's roll.
The,
Don't everybody speak at once.
Do you really want my answer?
the real.
Hold down the drowning excitement. There's only one door to float on.
No kidding.